It's lunchtime at the Alcazar. It's more than we thought. It actually will take several hours, but we look at everything so close. Most people walk past things and don't even pay attention, but we look at every tree and every flower and every piece of tile. So it takes us a while, but I think it'll take us maybe 4 or 5 hours to get through the Alcazar, but it's break time. It's gorgeous sitting here in the garden. And here is our world-class dining table. And we just have to tell you quickly about food and prices here in Seville, Spain, and Portugal too. It's very cheap. You get used to American restaurants and prices, but this snack, for example, and this is museum prices. We split the pizza. We already ate a lot of it, so there's not much left. The soda, the chips, maybe. But it's just so cheap here. And we told you our room was $40. I think it's first class room. It's a very cheap vacation, but we're here in November. It's the off season. But the weather's been gorgeous, beautiful. It's been 75 degrees every day. So it's okay to come here in off-season, November. You're almost on the Mediterranean coast, and it's a very sunny, warm climate down here. Mediterranean climate. Yeah. So don't worry about coming here in November. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna eat. Well, we have a big announcement to make. Rodilla and I have been talking, and I think we're both in agreement, right?
Yes.
We are going to make a major award. We truly think that this is the best garden that we have ever seen. Look at this. In Seville, this is the Alcazar. And not just this garden, but all the gardens we have shown you for the past few minutes. This is
The
number one in the world, Alcazar. We've got to show you one of the great hotel deals in Seville. This is one of the greatest ever. Look, we are 1 block from the cathedral. It's the Hotel Simon. Go in the front door. You won't believe this place. It's gorgeous. And it's only $40. 40. Looks like a fancy place. Yeah, go over to the water fountain. There's a big atrium here. Look at this. It looks like the Alcazar. It's that fancy. Yeah, we had to show you this place in particular because when we were in Lisbon, we were staying in the youth hostel, and it was a little bit different. It wasn't really first class, I wouldn't say, although we really loved it there. But look at this place. It really does look like the Alcazar. But we're going to take you upstairs. It gets even better. You won't believe it. What's upstairs? Here, go upstairs. Yeah, we'll go up the stairs here, and it gets even better. Oh, there we are, look. Donald and Rodilla. Okay, keep going. What a grand mirror that was. And the view from the balcony here is look, there's something around the corner.
Yes, well,
You have to see the lounge that we can hang out here in the lobby, in the upstairs lobby. Let's go over here. Yeah, we got to do this because if you watched our last video in Lisbon, the hotel was really kind of funky. It was a hostel, but it was wonderful. But it was very different from the luxury of this place. But remember, the luxury of this place comes for $40 a night. It's quite a bargain. Look at this. This is the lounge. Yeah, believe it or not, this is the hotel lounge. And go over to the table there. It's gorgeous. It's like antique furniture. It's got a beautiful marble top. But we can hang out here. I can do my editing here at the table. But this is the hotel lounge. The chandelier. And over here, it's the beautiful Spanish tile. We have the same tile in our hotel room. And lots of original art. Yeah, pretty neat, huh? And all for $40 a night. What a bargain. Come here in off season, November. The weather's beautiful. It's 75 degrees. Blue skies. You're on the Costa del Sol, which is the coast of the sun. It's just gorgeous down here. November. It's the greatest place. And so, it's so cheap.
yes.
Yeah, you won't believe what you get for $40 for a hotel in Seville, Spain. Look at this. Our room is at the end. We always request the quiet location. And look, it's all tile. Every wall is tile. Spanish tile. It's gorgeous. For $40. The thing is, you come on the off season, they give the rooms away. We can get rooms for $28, $30 that are really nice, but we decided to splurge for $40 and we get this. But it's tile everywhere. Two beds. You can push them together. Is it soft? Here, let's open the closet. Get a big closet. The bed, is it soft?
Oh my gosh, it's firm.
You really like it?
Yes.
Here, there's something on the bathroom. There's things on a bathroom door. You got your little heater and air conditioner up on the top there. You can control your temperature. And you take that for granted? We've been in many hotels. The first 3 nights we were in Portugal, we had no heat. We had no air conditioning, and that's not that uncommon. So don't take it for granted.
Yes.
But and we're not sure that one works, but I think it does.
Probably.
Okay, but look at the bathroom.
Where's the bathroom?
You got a nice, beautiful shower. And what's really special in Europe,
Ta-da!
you got the bidet. And I'm not going to go into detail, but we won't tell you what that bidet towel is. We'll point to the towel. Yeah. We won't tell you what that's for. But what a gorgeous room. And did I tell you, we are 1 block away from the Seville Cathedral, which is the biggest cathedral in the world. It's like 35 seconds away down the street. And the Alcazar is another 4 or 5 minute walk. So you get all this for $40. What a bargain. And we just ate the paella. It was big. It was almost more than the 2 of us could eat. And that was only $8. So it's a great bargain coming to Spain.
And look. What's this? Whoa!
Wow, what luxury! Bye.